Hi guys, welcome back to Golca TV. Check out this loving moment between OONI of Ife, Oba Enito Adeyeye Ogunwusi Ojaja II, and his first son, Prince Tadenikawo. This is indeed a very touching and loving moment. I think the prince really looks like his mom, Queen Naomi. What do you guys think? Leave your comments below.
Golden man and woman, Abi. The last time you asked me, what else do you know?
Little blue thing.
What else? What else? What else? What else?
And your white clothes.
And my white clothes. What else do you know?
Your hat.
My heart? What else?
Everything.
Like that means
Like
everything.
your room.
My room?
Yes.
What else? Yeah. So what do you normally say you see in your dream? Tongo, Abi? Oh.
Tongo.
Tongo. When was the last
Not
time?
Tongo on your food.
Really?
She was calling me.
Really? What was she calling me for?
I saw you.
Really? That was the last time I talked to you. Eh? But you said you don't want to talk to me now. So are you happy with me now? So you go and tell your mommy that now you want to go and stay with your daddy.
Yes.
Eh?
In the battlefield.
In the battlefield.
Oh yeah, now sing it.